A boy got on his grandmother's phone, opened Roblox, and spent $2,000. She had no idea until the charge hit her account. I want to show you exactly how. Because this wasn't an accident. It was a system working as designed. This time the number got bigger. It was Grandma's card, and Roblox recently did something that changes the game for every player worldwide. Let's start with the $2,000. Here's how it happens. Roblox is free to download and free to play, but inside the game, everything costs Robux. Robux isn't dollars, it's a virtual currency. You buy Robux with real money, then spend Robux inside the game. If a payment method is saved on a device and the purchase friction isn't turned on, buying more Robux can be a single tap. Just tap. Charged. For a kid on a grandparent's phone, that tap costs real money they don't see as real money, because it's not dollars on screen. It's Robux. That psychological distance is not a bug in the design. It's the feature. $2,000 doesn't happen in one purchase. It happens in 20 or 50, each one feeling like spending game tokens, each one a single tap. Now here's the part that recently changed for every player on Earth. Korea has a law requiring any game sold there to display the exact odds on every paid random item, every possible outcome, as a percentage, before you buy. Roblox just made its move. It rolled the disclosure out to everyone, everywhere. And that only came to light in the last couple of weeks. Which means, right now, anywhere in the world, if you're about to buy a paid random item in Roblox, the odds have to be shown to you before you spend, and the probabilities have to add up to 100%. One country's law just protected every Roblox player on Earth. That odds disclosure is the most important new tool you have. Here's what those odds usually look like. Imagine a loot box costs 400 Robux, about $5. Inside is a rare item you want. The odds of getting that item, 2%. 2% means on average you'd need to open 50 boxes to get it once. 50 boxes at $5 each, $250 for one item that exists only inside a video game. That's not a purchase. That's a slot machine. The math behind loot boxes works exactly like the math in a casino. The house sets the odds, the player chases the outcome, and the rare item is rare because if you got it on the first try, you'd stop spending. Korea figured this out. That's why they passed the law. And now Roblox has to show you the math before you spend the Robux. So here's what you do with that information. Before you buy any paid random item in Roblox or any game, find the odds. They have to be there now. Then do the expected cost math. If the item has a 2% drop rate and the box costs $5, your expected cost for that item is $250. Not $5, $250. If you'd still pay $250 for that item knowing what it is, that's your call. But most people wouldn't. They just never ran the math. Now let's tie this to the grandma's card story. The $2,000 charge wasn't from loot boxes specifically. It was from regular Robux purchases, tap after tap after tap, with no friction and no conversion back to dollars. The three things that protect you. 1. Require a password or Face ID for every purchase, on any device, without exception. That 2-second friction is the most valuable setting in the game. 2. Always convert Robux back to real dollars before you buy. If it sounds expensive in dollars, it is expensive. The virtual currency exists to make you stop doing that math. Do the math anyway. 3. Before any loot-style purchase, check the odds. Roblox has to show you now. Run the expected cost. Then decide. The system is designed to get you to spend more than you intend. These three things put you back in control. Here's the bigger lesson. Every game that uses virtual currency and every platform that sells random items is using the same two tools, dollar distance and odds obscuration. Make the currency feel like tokens, not money. Make the odds feel like luck, not math. Roblox had to disclose the math because a law in Korea said so. The US has no equivalent law. No federal loot box disclosure requirement exists here, which means the only person doing the math before you spend is you. Now you know how to do it. Hit subscribe if you want to understand the systems before they understand you. See you in the next one.